Hello everybody. So today I will talk about trigonometry. The topic today is about we need to find the value of sin x plus cosine x. So now I will show you how to answer. Given that tan x equals to 3 over 4 and x belongs to quadrant number 3, we need to find the value of this one. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that quadrant number 3, that is tan x and cotangx is greater than number 0, while sin x and cosine x, they are negative. So we have this one. So in this situation, I will put the power 2 for the both sides, and we have 9 over 16. We know that we have the formula in here. So I will put this one go in here. So we calculate about this one, and we have 25 over 16. And now we need to swap about this one, and we have cosine x squared equals to 16 over 25. We know that cosine x is negative, so when we put the square root for the both sides, we have cosine x equals to negative number 4 over 5. The next one, we have sin x squared plus cosine x squared equals to number 1. And we know that cosine x squared, that is about this one. Now I will put this one go to the right, and we have 9 over 25. Later that we put the square root for the both sides, and we know that sin x is negative. So in this situation, we have sin x equals to negative number 3 over 5. Now we want to find the value of this one. So sin x, that is about this one, and cosine x, that is about this one. So we calculate the number, and we have negative number 7 over 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.